Welcome to Sudha Cars Museum, a place where art meets engineering and cars transform into incredible works of creativity. Founded by the visionary Mr. K. Sudhakar, this museum is a testament to his boundless imagination. Step into the workshop where it all began and witness the evolution of Mr. Sudhakar's ingenious car sculptures. As we explore into the museum's heart, prepare to be amazed by the creativity on display. From a car shaped like a cricket to one that resembles a toilet, each exhibit tells a unique story of art in motion. But Sudha Cars Museum isn't just about aesthetics, it's a playground where engineering meets fantasy. Take a rare glimpse behind the scenes and witness the careful craftsmanship that breathes life into these extraordinary sculptures. As you wander through the museum, you'll notice a dynamic interaction between visitors and exhibits. Touch, feel, and immerse yourself in the tangible creativity that defines Sudha Cars Museum. Sudha Cars Museum has not only captured hearts locally but has also made its mark globally. Several of its exhibits proudly hold Guinness World Records, solidifying its place as a hub of record-breaking innovation. With a shelf full of awards and accolades, Sudha Cars Museum continues to garner recognition for its groundbreaking approach to automotive art. It's not just a museum, it's a celebration of imagination and dedication. As we soar high above this architectural marvel, let's take a moment to appreciate the exterior, a reflection of the creativity housed within. Sudha Cars Museum isn't just a destination, it's an experience waiting to be explored. Planning your visit to Sudha Cars, it's located at Bahadurpura X Road, APHB Colony, Bahadurpura, near Zoo Park, Hyderabad, and the museum opens its doors daily from Monday to Sunday 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So, whether you're a local or a traveler, this unique destination awaits. Now, let's talk about entry ticket fee. The entry fee is generally around Rs 80 to 150 per person, with discounted rates for children and students. Plan your visit, and let Sudha Cars Museum redefine your perception of what's possible in the world of automobiles. Subscribe for more unique explorations, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this too. Thanks for joining us at Sudha Cars Museum, where cars become extraordinary pieces of art.
I do it to myself. I don't know why, don't know why. I do it to myself. I don't know